Ki Pulit ki East Khasi Hills kila Sdang ni ke Jing Tohkit, halor ke Jing Shah Pynjulor jong ka kali bolero rongli jong pastor McDonald Pingrom, hawang do ha ke jan meet Sngi blay. Superintendent of Police Vivek Sim, ulo ong baka Jing Khang shadian jong ka te ka kali kalapra, but pastor ula dia ban ujor ka FIR kabalapin kendria ano sa Sadar Police Station ban Tohkit bniah. Ki Pulit kidang persyang banlap ya ki badon kti, but ban pintik nai ka ni ka Jingjia, kade ka Jing Thmutu, ne ka don ka Jingïadei bat ka Jingapher hapo ka bala. USP ulapin pauru ba upastor McDonald Pingrop uday ujo ubala ujor paidbah halor ki Jing Ujor Bamsap hapo ka balang. Kat kum Jing Tohkit Jing yo Mynta kapisa kabla keno pendon kambakla kalakot hadu inyo klur tingka kabakin thop yalai klur ha kamukorduma baningkong bat sasaw klur ha ka FIR wa thymmai.
So yesterday in the evening at about 9:30 we got an information that Pastor McDonald Pungrop's white Bolero, which was parked alongside the road at Windor, was vandalized. The rear glass of the vehicle was broken, and for that he has filed an FIR at Jingïadei, and the same was treated as a zero FIR, and which was transferred to Sadar. So Sadar Police Station has taken up a non-cognizable case whereby it's going to be registered after cognizance is received from court. Police is making all efforts to find out the culprit. We also trying to ascertain whether the culprit had intentions of stealing from, because there were things inside the vehicle, and or whether it had ulterior motives. Yes, I mean already there's a rift in the church, but we will be able to ascertain after we investigate the matter whether it has to do with the rift in the church or whether it is a simple case of crime against property. Well, the first case has been charge sheeted, where about 3 crores was found missing. Pastor McDonald has filed an additional FIR that about 4 crores, over 4 crores has been misappropriated. We have taken up that matter with the court, and court has given us direction that it will still continue with the same case only, and in case any new events or evidence crops up, then it's going to be continued with the same investigation. One was 3 crores, and then he's saying no, it's gone beyond 3 crores to about 4 crores and beyond.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.